Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy lesson 22. There is no need to memorize anything. Allow the English words to come to you slowly and calmly. You are doing really well. Let us begin. Here are the 12 English words for today. Just listen. Do not repeat. Play, watch, enjoy, like, love, hate, hope, wish, worry, care, relax, rest. Good. Now listen to the 12 English words again and repeat them after me. Play, play, watch, watch, enjoy, enjoy, like, like, love, love, hate, hate, hope, hope, wish, wish, worry, worry, care, care, relax, relax, rest, rest. Very good. Take your time. Now we can listen to some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Play a game. Play together. Watch television. Watch people. Enjoy the day. Enjoy time. Like this. Like that. Love family. Love life. Hate cold. Hate problem. Hope today. Hope tomorrow. You wish. Make a wish. Worry now. Always worry. Child care. Family care. Relax now. Relax here. Rest now. Rest at home. Good. Now listen to a short, easy story using all of the 12 English words. Hello, my friend. Today is a good day. We play a small game. We like to watch people. We enjoy this time together. I say I like this place. I love this moment. You hate this cold weather. You worry about a small problem. I tell you, do not worry now. I hope tomorrow is better. You say you wish for a good day. I care about you and your family. We sit, relax here and rest. After some time you feel happy again. Very good. Okay, let us listen to the 12 English words one more time. Play, watch, enjoy, like, love, hate, hope, wish, worry, care, relax, rest. Very good. Okay, you have now reached the end of lesson 22. You did very well today. You should rest now, and I will see you for lesson 23. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.